The cart, babe. Our local Costco. Sorry. Sorry, Mama. Sorry, Mama. Thank you. This is our day today. Mayhem, but this is normal in the cold. Yeah, absolutely. That's how they skip us and just act like they don't see us, babe. The tall guy with the dreads.
So I made it in. This is our favorite yogurt. West Coast. We gotta get this. This is some of their pre-done salmon and shrimp already made for you. Everybody know at Costco you can get everything. Clothes, houseware, food, you name it. You know, it's a warehouse. They have it all. So this is just some of the largest selection things that they have going on. To the left, the clothes area. Along the side, this is the crowd we're maneuvering through. This is some of the things we got so far in our cart. That's their salmon, but it's all wild caught. We don't really eat too much wild farm raised. I think these are all farm raised.
They have a nice look.
Like,
they have a fried fish.
Wild caught.
Or 20.
But yeah, I think there's some farm raised.
18.
I was just trying to check it out to see. But they were farm raised. And I think that's tilapia. We no longer eat tilapia. That's my favorite soup. That's me there cheating. Picking one up. I had to get one. Oh my God. I love that soup.
Sorry.
That's some of the meats that he already had picked up while I was cheating. Lamb chops, we got chicken, we got fish. As you know, it's Lent, so we're trying to get the fish in on Wednesdays. And some of them fatness ass pastries. But yeah, we're maneuvering through. This is some of the other things that they have. We're going in the back over here and see what we can find. That's their sparkling water. They have like 3, 4, 5 different.
Wow.
They changed it up a little
Me
bit.
too.
But yeah, that's Costco.
They got rid of some of them high things and
crowded.
Cleared it up a little bit. It looks much better.
Yeah, it's nice and clear now. They changed it up a
Oh,
little
that's why.
bit.
It's 2. Yeah.
We needed that.
And it was long out it this way too. That's beans. We beaned up. I'm going right here.
We made our way to the lines now. Now we gotta struggle and figure out who's on what line and what line is the shortest. Because my goal is to keep it moving.
I've seen it a lot.
You're gonna have a lucky year.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
This me here talking to the lady behind me.
That's
she was
true,
so sweet.
right?
She was telling us how nice we were.
Give me some blessing.
You know,
Come on, give me the blessing. I like it.
Year.
Thank you.
And then she was sending some love. So
I
was taking
appreciate
it
it
all
so
in.
much. And the same to you and your
There's nothing like
family.
meeting people with a very positive vibe. You
Right.
know? We all have the ultimate same goal, no matter who we are and
Not
where
gonna
we're
give us
from.
retail.
So yeah, she was a sweetheart.
Right here in my hand.
Oh, yes, sir.
And then the meats and the strawberries.
Meats and strawberries.
Oh, thank you.
Nothing I could do. She needs a key. You always get stuck with this.
Yeah, I agree. Or a runner. They could pay me. I have a very loud voice.
The cashier had to wait for somebody to bring her the keys. I was telling her, Give me the job. My voice is loud. I could get her some attention. This us with our makeshift carts, struggling to the elevator because we got to go all the way up. And then, of course, we have the carts and stuff in the car, so when we get out, it can make it easy to get upstairs. So, yeah, this is us. He has the large one, of course, and I got this little grandma pulley and a huge bag. And we was able to make it up to our floor with our stuff so that we could unpack it. So here we are. We're in the apartment, and that's me sparsing everything out, bagging it out, because it's really, small meals we make. Nobody likes leftovers, so we don't make that much. And then, yeah, that's the berries they have to soak. And that's our great pancake mix. I love that pancake. And that's my wings for later.